Today we're making a Peruvian, frozen, Lúcuma Easter ice cream. No churn and super creamy. It serves 8 people, and the prep time is 20 minutes plus 6 hours to freeze. Let's make it festive and delicious. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2 cups of cold heavy cream. This will whip up for a fluffy creamy base. 1 can, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. It sweetens and gives body. 1 cup of unsweetened Lúcuma purée. This brings the classic Peruvian flavor. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It rounds out the aroma. 1/8 teaspoon of fine salt. Just a pinch to balance sweetness. 1 tablespoon of pisco, optional. Adds a subtle Peruvian note and helps softness. 3 ounces of chopped dark chocolate Easter egg. Crunchy bites and Easter spirit. 2 tablespoons of chocolate shavings for topping. Finish with a pretty touch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Put a metal mixing bowl and the beaters in the freezer for 15 minutes. Line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with parchment, leaving overhang, and set the pan in the freezer while you prep. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of Lúcuma puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 tablespoon of pisco until perfectly smooth. Grab the chilled bowl and beaters. Add 2 cups of cold heavy cream and whip on medium-high until soft peaks form, about 2 to 3 minutes. Fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the Lúcuma base to lighten it, using a spatula with gentle folding motions. Add the rest of the whipped cream and fold, just until no streaks remain, keeping the mixture airy. Fold in 2 ounces of the chopped dark chocolate Easter egg, and reserve 1 ounce for topping. Bring out the lined loaf pan, scrape in the mixture, and smooth the top with a spatula. Sprinkle the reserved 1 ounce of chopped chocolate evenly over the top. Cover tightly and freeze for at least 6 hours until firm enough to slice. To unmold, wrap a warm, damp cloth around the pan sides, then lift using the parchment overhang and set it on a cutting board. Warm a knife under hot water, dry it, and slice thick pieces, reheating and drying the knife between cuts as needed. Plate the slices and finish with 2 tablespoons of chocolate shavings on top. Serve right away, or keep them in the freezer until serving. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Peruvian Easter treat, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more no-bake desserts.